Do you have a GitHub profile readme which looks obnoxious and very unpleasant, and you want to make it look good and better than before? So when Zaid is here, you don't need to go anywhere. So first of all, you have to go to your file manager. On a Windows machine, you will have to go to File Explorer. On a Mac machine, you have to go to Finder. And in your documents, create a folder as profile readme. And just after that, open Visual Studio Code and drag this and drop it in that. Just like this. And it will be opened after that. So the next step is to go to Google Chrome and type in github.com/zaidajani/zaidajani. So you will find a GitHub, you will find a readme file, and you wanna clone this now. So you just press this code and copy this HTTPS link, and in Visual Studio Code just add a git clone and paste the link and just press enter. So in the file Zaid Ajani, you will find some things. So in the terminal, just write the cd Zaid Ajani, and in there, if you just go to readme.md and just look at the preview. So if you just look at the preview, you will find a good looking readme, but not as good as on GitHub, because Visual Studio Code's readme preview is not as good as that. So you will find something, and then you can fill in the information according to you. So as I wrote there, hi there, my name is this. So you can, instead of my name, you can write your name, and you can fill everything accordingly. And in the end, we have an image tag in which we have something. So instead of username equals to Zaid Ajani, you have to write there username equals to your own username. So my username is Zaid Ajani, and in the alt tag you have to write there your name. So write there your name. So my name is Zaid Ajani, GitHub stats. Okay, so this is how easy it is. So just press Ctrl and S, and now it will be appearing here as you wanted. So now the next step is to go to new terminal. Just create a new terminal in that, and just go to the Zaid Ajani folder and write the git in it. So if you don't have git, you can install it by using the internet. You can install git. If you have a Mac laptop, you can install Xcode and install git. Git will be automatically installed if you install Xcode, and if you are on a Windows machine, then you have to go to gitscm.com and download git. So now if you are using git first time, just type that git config --global user.email and your email id, and then user.name to your name. And this is how you set up git. And if you are using a GitHub profile, then you obviously might be knowing git. So you have to just write the git add dot, which means it will add all the files, git commit -m, any name like initial commit. That's nice. So first of all, you have to make a GitHub repository in your GitHub profile. So just go to Google Chrome, and in there you have to make a new repository same as your name. So as my GitHub username is Zaid Ajani without any space, you have to just create a new repository and name it the same as your username. So in my case, this is my username, and if it matches your username, it will show something like this, and just create the repository. And then you just have to copy the HTTPS tag and come back to Visual Studio Code, and in the terminal just write a git remote add origin and paste the link. Your terminal might look different than mine because I'm using ZSH and power level 10k theme, so it might be different in your case. Now then you have to write the git push origin master. Then something like this would come, and it will say something, and just then if you go back to your GitHub repository which you recently made, it will change to this. And then if you now go to your profile, and there you can get your GitHub profile readme, and now your GitHub profile looks better than before. So if you like the video, please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to follow me on GitHub and star all of my repositories.